Hello, it's Brenda with Luke's. I'm not in the picture, but be assured that I have lipstick on because we're mask free here. Anyway, this is what I wanted to talk about today. I was working on a really cute denim jacket for my niece Gabby. And at the end of the day yesterday, we had to shut the store down and go home. And now I need to pick up again. This is one of the great things about the Viking. So I'm right in the middle of my design. You can see I have all my threads. I'm going to go ahead and turn the machine on. And because I did a smart save, and I'm going to show you where the button is, the smart save, it memorized where I left off in my embroidery pattern. So that's a great thing to do. So if you have to run to Kroger's, if you're in the middle, and like I said, we had to go home, it will remember to the stitch where I left off. Machine's firing up. We're going to see a little message pop up. And it is probably going to ask me to take the hoop off so it can calibrate like the embroidery machine does every time we use it. And we'll do that shortly, and then we'll be able to see right where we left off. And it says right here, your embroidery ended unexpectedly. Do you want to resume the embroidery? Well, yeah. So now it says we need to calibrate just as I indicated. So remove the hoop, clear the machine area to make sure that the embroidery arm can move freely. Well, we know that whenever you calibrate, you need to make sure that there is no cup of coffee or anything in the way of that arm. Now, some of my students know me, and they know that my cat likes to be near my machine when I'm sewing, and sometimes when I calibrate, I've been known to calibrate the cat. It has happened. All right, so let's get this calibrated. And we'll be ready to start again. Okay, so the machine has calibrated, and as you can see, the screen has come up here, and we're ready to go. So one of the things that I want to point out is when I calibrated the machine, I took the hoop off. So now that the hoop's back on, I'm going to restart the design. I'm going to go backwards just a little bit here. Okay, it went right back to the exact spot where I did the smart save last night. Now I went back about 10 stitches, and now when I hit go, I'm picking up exactly where I left off. You can see I'm all about halfway through on the black thread. It'll pick up on the design like nothing happened. So all I'm going to do is hit my go. I hear the cutter. We're off to the races, and my design will finish. That's all for today.